Let's do business now, and business conditions in Kenya's private sector economy continue to improve in February, although the rate of expansion slowed to the weakest for 8 months. Stanbic Bank's Purchasing Managers Index report shows businesses reported that weak cash flow due to limited household and client spending that saw output only marginally rise amid a more modest increase in new order volumes. Despite this, purchase prices rose steeply due to a hike in VAT at the start of the year, which saw the headline Purchasing Managers Index drop to 50.9 in February, down from a reading of 53.2 in January.
The drop of the Purchasing Managers Index to a reading of 50.9 in February signaled the weakest rate of improvement in the 8-month run of expansion following the initial impact of the COVID-19 pandemic. Output and new orders continued to rise midway through the first quarter, but the rate of expansion softened, with the former indicating the weakest upturn in business activity for 8 months. Slower sales growth was related to a lack of cash flow in some sectors of the economy, leading to reduced customer spending and travel. New orders from foreign clients grew modestly and to the least extent since last June. Consequently, firms raised purchasing activity at the slowest rate in 6 months, leading to a more modest uptick in inventory levels. High competition among vendors drove an improvement in delivery times, although some firms reported delays on imported goods due to global supply shortages. Employment numbers increased marginally in February, with firms also seeing a softer rise in outstanding work. Moreover, to maintain current staff levels, some businesses cut workers' salaries, leading to the fastest drop in average wage costs in 7 months. Nevertheless, cost burdens were driven higher by another sharp increase in purchase prices. Companies blamed the uptick on a hike in VAT in January, exacerbated by material shortages and higher fuel prices. Business expectations for the year ahead dipped slightly in February, but remained above the level seen through the second half of 2020. About a third of surveyed firms expect output to rise. Betty Kiptum, Channel 1 Business.
This man is red hot.
From 10:45 p.m. Don't miss these exciting games live and exclusive on KBC Channel 1.